Welcome back. Hovercraft H-194 is in Goa to check the accessibility at Goan beaches for tourism purposes. The Mumbai-based hovercraft is anchored at Bogmalo Beach on trial basis. Coast Guard officials informed that more 12 hovercrafts are expected to join the fleet of Coast Guard. Proposal of having a hovercraft in Goa is in pipeline.
क्राफ्ट एकदम नया है और ऐसे ऑपरेशन पहले कभी इस तरफ हुए नहीं हैं, तो नए बीचेस देखेंगे, कहाँ पर लॉजिस्टिक सपोर्ट हमें मिल सकता है आने वाले दिनों में, तो हम वो सब चीज़ें आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए इस तरफ आए।
इसका गोवा को कितना?
इस क्राफ्ट का फ़ायदा बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त है। ये क्राफ्ट फास्ट क्राफ्ट है, 45 नॉट्स इसकी स्पीड है, कहीं पर भी पहुंचना हो बहुत ही जल्दी पहुंच सकता है एज़ कम्पेयर टू जो बाकी हमारे पास शिप्स और बोट्स हैं।
It depends on the landing places. Landing places suitable होंगी, we'll definitely get it in Goa. The proposal is there to get it in Goa, but the landing places have to be decided. And if they are suitable, whether इसके लिए fueling और बाकी जो एडम सपोर्ट वहाँ पे होगा, तो गोवा is there in the pipeline.
San Jacinto Island residents are upset with miscreants troubling people passing on the bridge. Residents have demanded for strict police patrolling and police security during night hours. People have asked the authorities to install CCTVs on the bridge. Some residents have asked for gates at entry and exit point of the bridge.
आमकां CCTV बी गव्हर्मेंटान कितें तर घालून दिवपा जाय आनी सारकें पुलीस प्रोटेक्शन जाय, कित्याक 7 उपरांत हिंगा सगळें वायट चालू जाता, सगळे पियोन बी लोक बाटली बी फोडटात, ती रातचे सकाळीं 6 पासून चालू आसता हे बाटले फोडपाचे आनी हे पळयता ते आयज पयले फावट न्हू, हेज्या पयलीं हिंगा मोदे रस्त्यार उजो घालून बॉन फायर बी करून लोक नाचून बॉब बी मान म्युजीक बी घालून वयता।
हे भुरगे येवन खंयचे जावं खंयच्याय जावं ते तांकां आमच्या हितून येवपाक दिनाका म्हणल्यार रातचे दिसाचे येवन जाल्यार आमकां तितलो प्रॉब्लेम ना, फकत आमकां रातचे आमकां ना जाल्यार गेट घालपाची गव्हर्मेंटान,
तितू प्रॉब्लेम जायना आमकां। ओन्ली नायट टायम 7 to morning 7 till 3 o'clock देखून आसताय म्हळ्यार एक जायोयच आमकां हिंगा।
Manchester City are the favourites to win English Premier League this season, but the title race is still really unpredictable, says former Manchester United star DENIS. The former Red Devils fullback was in Goa as part of Star Sports and Barclays Premier League promotional event during India Fest at Baga.
They came from all parts of the country at the India Fest and got a lifetime opportunity to pose with the hallowed Barclays Premier League trophy. Former Manchester United star DENIS made the occasion more memorable by posing for photographs with the EPL fans and enthusiasts. After an exhibition football match, Dempo Sports Club players and chairman Srinivas Dempo also made a picture-perfect frame. DENIS spoke to Prudent after having spent a couple of hours posing for photographs.
It's great to be here. It's my first time in Goa. I went to Mumbai and Delhi a couple of years ago at Manchester United. It's definitely a lot louder here, I guarantee you that. But no, the fans have been great today. We've had a really good turnout, obviously here with the Barclays Premier League. A lot of fans from Manchester United, of course, but also plenty of fans from Arsenal, Liverpool, Chelsea. So that's good to see.
We have such a lot of interest in English Premier League in general in India, a lot of viewers for this league, and probably this season it's becoming a very unpredictable battle. Could you take us through how this season is panning out and what's more attractive of this season for the English Premier League?
Well, it's been a great Premier League because of exactly what you said, the unpredictability of it. Manchester City are everybody's favourites really because they've probably got the best team and the best squad. But as Chelsea showed the other night, you know, they can be beaten, and they've been beaten 4 or 5 times this season. Liverpool have improved a hell of a lot. Arsenal have surprised a few. You know, made a great sign in Mesut Ozil, and he's improved the team, and they've gone really strong. They need to beat 1 or 2 top teams though to win the league for me. It's been a fantastic league. Who's going to win it? I seriously don't know. You know what I mean? I think if City had beat Chelsea last Monday night, they'd have been very, very strong favourites. I still think they're favourites, but it's going to be very, very close. It really is. And Arsenal could surprise us.
Sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Omkar Farari from Baga.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.